same moon. 32 count, 4 walls. It's an improver level line dance. There is no tag and no restart for this dance. Let me show you section 1. Starting with your right foot. Rock right, forward and recover with the left. Rock, recover, box step and rock your left forward, recover. Do a back lock back with your left, back lock back. Rock your right back and recover. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 2. Make a quarter to the left, stepping your right to the left. Step right, drag left towards right, behind side cross. Rock right to right, recover, and cross shuffle. Section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 3. Step left to the side, step left, together, forward shuffle. Rock right, half turn, shuffle. Rock, recover, half turn, shuffle. So section 3 with the count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Last section, sway your left hip, sway, recover, sway, recover. Back coaster with your left, back together, forward, and a kick ball step, kick ball step. Last section with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8.